Hi, welcome. In this video, we're going to explore the Lifestyle Report on HoopsBI. This will help you make smarter decisions for your basketball career. So, let's get started. First, let's visit the HoopsBI website and sign in. First, click on Get Started. Then click on Continue with Google or type your email manually. Click on your registered email. Now you will see the HoopsBI dashboard. Next, click on Lifestyle and choose any continent and country. For this example, I'll select Asia, so we can see differences between countries within the continent. Later, you can also pick a specific country to view its dedicated data. HoopsBI Experience Score. Section. All metrics here are evaluated from 1 to 10, where 1 means bad and 10 means the best possible experience. The HoopsBI Experience Score is quick and reliable because it uses insights from peers efficiently. So overseas pros and FIBA agents know where players are having better experiences. First, let's look at the number of experiences. This shows each unique instance a player was under contractual agreement. These experiences were captured within the HoopsBI questionnaire. In this case, 151 experiences were captured within the Asia region. Next, the overall experience score indicates the quality of a country's basketball environment. A score of 6.8 indicates that players have generally had better experiences there. Now, looking at where players have better experiences, the graph shows that Indonesia offers the best experience, while Mongolia has the lowest. Payment delay section. This measures the severity of payment delays experienced by players, where 1 means no issues and 10 means multiple missed payments. Payment delay helps you measure delays clearly across countries and also identify high-risk regions. 7.9% of experiences encounter excessive payment delays, meaning that salaries were consistently late by more than 4 weeks. The payment delay score of 1.7 shows that payments are generally timely. When we look at the graph, Mongolia and Lebanon have the highest payment delays, while Hong Kong, Kazakhstan, and South Korea have the least. Bonus expectations section. Next, let's check out bonus expectations. Experiences with playoff bonuses are at 76.8%, showing that playoff bonuses are generally common in Asia. Experiences with championship bonuses are even better, at 82.1%, indicating favorable bonus conditions for players. Finally, looking at per-game win bonuses, the graph shows that Indonesia, Singapore, and Hong Kong have them most commonly. Payment details section. Now let's explore payment details. Looking at player unions, out of 151 participants, only 5.96% said yes, while 92.72% said no, suggesting that recovery of missed payments could be difficult if they are missed. However, looking at the overall payment delay score, we can see that Asia generally has no issues with payments. Most payments are monthly, at 96.03%, with bi-weekly payments at 3.31%. The most common payment method is USA bank transfer, followed by cash. Salary comparison section. You can also compare salaries between Asian countries, which helps you make better career decisions when planning your overseas journey. After looking at all this data, you can make smarter decisions for your future. Plan your career overseas more effectively, and understand which countries provide better opportunities and experiences. So, if you want to explore all these metrics in detail, sign up freely with HoopsBI and take your overseas basketball career to the next level.